Hello guys, good evening to all of you. So I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. So guys, this session is very important. Those who are looking for GATE 2023, as you know, third year student, final year student, pass out student, all can apply for the GATE examination. And also this time, like the last year, you have the opportunity to apply for the two papers. So you can go for two papers. So guys, in this session, we will be talking about why two papers. Is there any benefit to go for second paper? And if we are looking for second paper, what should we do? What should be the better choice for mechanical students? So guys, with all these things and all the answer to your question, this session is all about. Yes, Shri Arvind, hi dear. Yes, VS Kumar and a hi dear. So guys, just like and share the session so that other students can also join. This is going to be very important session, and I will be showing you with proofs that what are the various benefits of paper 2 if you are going for XC. Then what you can get. If you're going for P&I, then what you can get. So all those things I will be telling you guys in this session. Sachin, good evening. Kenil, good evening dear. So guys, just like and share the session so that other students also join. And one by one we will be moving further. And I will be telling you about all the possibilities, all the benefits, all the things we will see. Okay. Yes. Kenil, good evening. Nagaraju, good evening. Kalpesh Mishra, good evening. Yes. Thanks, dear. So, guys, now we are starting the session. So, just wait. Okay, I feel this slider is not working. So, don't worry. We are moving normally. So guys, those who are watching me for the first time, this is some detail about me. So I'm having around 10 plus years of experience in this field of GATE and ESE, cracked GATE and other exams many times with good rank, written many research and review papers, and these are my areas of expertise. Yes, Ayush, good evening dear. So guys, when we are talking about the GATE examination, you know that now you can go for two papers, and for your preparation to help you in that, we are running a GATE champion series already, which have already been started from 25th of August. And guys, I feel already two subjects are completed in this for mechanical student. One is strength of material, other is heat and mass transfer. Third subject would be starting from tomorrow. I feel that is going to be fluid mechanics, and one by one we will be covering all the subject. Next weekend we will be coming with engineering mechanics complete for mechanical papers also. Nagaswamy sir, हमने तो choose कर लिया. Okay, then it's fine. Then also you will get to know what are the benefits with what you have chosen. Okay. Don't worry. Shubham, yes. Good evening, dear. Okay, guys. So we are moving further. So guys, those who have not seen the sessions of this GATE Champion series, they are available in your respective branch sessions. You can attend that, and PDFs are also shared to you. And guys, those who have not the Telegram channel, just join my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. There you will be getting daily practice papers, questions, PDFs, all the things related to all the sessions. Yes. Great. Yes, Sri, it is fine. Actually, both are fine, but they have different benefits. Okay, that's great. So guys, let's move further now. So guys, when we are talking about that, what would be the things we are going to discuss in this session? So in this session, as about GATE would be known to you, so I will just give you a small glimpse. Then career options. Then my dear, GATE paper 2, whether it is XC or P&I, that is production and industrial or engineering sciences. Then how to prepare for XC and how to prepare for P&I. So all these things we are going to discuss, guys. Okay. Yes, Kalpesh, that's fine. You will be getting how to prepare, what should be the optimum selection of subject in XC. Then also this session is very useful for you. Okay, Nagaswamy, if you have chosen that, that's fine. So guys, when I'm talking about GATE, as you already are appearing for the GATE, so I am very well sure that you would be knowing the benefits. You know that third year students, final year student, pass out students can appear for GATE examination. And I feel you all know that this third year student eligibility have been there from last 2 years, and before that also at our time when we were appearing in 2010-11, at that time also it was there. So guys, then in between only final years were applying, but now third year can also apply, you know that. So guys, when we are talking about what are the purpose for that, Actually, IITs, NITs, government engineering colleges and other private engineering colleges, they are using the GATE scores for M.Tech admissions, and also some PhD admissions are requiring that. My dear, you also know that PSUs are one of the major things for which the peoples are appearing for GATE. NITI Mumbai is also there. Yes. So guys, there are many options for which you are giving the GATE. So when I am talking about the opportunities, I am writing the major opportunities, then I am coming to the paper 2 selection. So my dear, I am very well sure, and you are also, that majority of you are giving the GATE examination for PSUs. Then my dear, others may be giving for IITs, M.Tech admissions. Those who are doing B.Tech from private engineering college, they have a dream to go to IIT. So definitely they will be going for that as well. Then my dear, after PSUs, IITs, the next option is NIT. So you know that all the NITs, which are, you can say, the institutes of national importance, they are also looking for the GATE scores if they are giving the seats for M.Tech and PhDs. So guys, when we are talking about after these three, you know that there is one more option, that is NITI Mumbai. Actually, NITI Mumbai is for MBA programs, and that may be the choice similar to the PSUs. These two are the major dreams of the student. After that comes IIT, NIT. There are many students who are going to go to the foreign universities. So guys, I will be saying the foreign universities, they are also taking the GATE score now. So guys, not all the foreign universities, but some of them are taking. Sachin Gautam, yes, definitely. So those students who are in private engineering college, they think that we will be going for NITs or IITs. Definitely they have that kind of dream, and definitely you should be. So guys, now all these are the options, but you may be saying, sir, all these options we can also get from one paper. Why to appear for two papers? Actually, when we are looking for two papers, what is the advantage of the second paper, and what are the extra efforts you have to do for that second paper? About that this session is actually. Okay, so we will talk about that, guys. So this was related to the options. Now my dear, first of all, I will be telling you that when you are giving two papers, one best thing is that you will be having another chance. If you are not going to perform well in first paper, then my dear, by performing well in second paper, you can have another chance. Otherwise, you need to wait for one more year. This is the one reason why you should appear for second paper. Now you must have a question, sir, can we get any of these things from second paper? No, the answer is no. You will not be getting the same things what you can get from paper one. All the things are not possible. Like PSUs, when I am talking about, PSUs would be taking the majority of the student from mechanical paper. They would not be taking from production industrial and XC. Production industrial, yes, some of the PSUs are maybe taking, but for XC, none of the PSU is taking. But then why? There are many other things, many other advantages, which I will be telling you one by one. Sir, this is my first attempt in GATE 2023. So can I fill? Yes, dear, definitely. Any third year student, final year student, you can definitely go for two papers. So guys, now I am telling you for mechanical, what are the choices which are given to the mechanical students, that how they can appear. So guys, first of all, you can have your primary paper mechanical, and secondary paper, that is the second paper, aerospace, instrumentation. Then as Nagaswamy is saying, naval architecture and marine engineering, then production and industrial, then engineering sciences. Those who are going for primary paper production and industrial, they can have second paper mechanical and engineering sciences. Those who are having primary papers as aerospace engineering, they can have civil, mechanical, engineering sciences. So guys, these are the second paper choices. Actually, the branch in which you are doing your B.Tech, that generally should be your first choice for the paper. Because if you are going for production industrial B.Tech, then you must go for production and industrial paper. Because those PSUs who would be looking for PSU, for the seats, they will be looking for the candidates from production industrial. They may give preference to the GATE paper code, also production industrial. But till now, if you see the history, they are also giving preference to the mechanical GATE paper code only. So my suggestion is your first paper should always be mechanical engineering only, because it have all the options. You can say it have all the options. Whatever you can get from GATE examination, all you will be getting from mechanical paper. All other papers, if you are going for paper number 2, they cannot give you all the things which mechanical paper can give you. So other papers output or other papers options would be a subset of what you are getting in mechanical paper. That is why never make the mistake of making first paper at others. So I will say that first paper should always be mechanical for you if you are a mechanical student. Okay guys, this is the first thing I would like to tell you. Then my dear, why we are talking about the second paper code. So if you are going to appear for the second paper, what should be their benefits, what you need to do for that, and what you are going to get from that. So that also I will be telling you based on the previous year's outputs or previous year's you can say notification detail from various PSUs, NITs, IITs and NITI Mumbai. So we will see one by one guys. Okay, so guys, now first of all, let us see about the opportunities for second paper. So I am talking about paper number 2 because from paper number 1 you can get all the things. But I am classifying now, majority of students are thinking of these 3 things, that by chance if your paper 1 is not going to be a good one, you are not going to attempt it properly or something happens on that day, then what you can get from paper 2. So my dear, if you are choosing XC or you are choosing P&I, so what you can get from that? When we are talking about the first dream of yours, public sector undertakings, PSUs are not taking from XC paper. Okay, from production and industrial, some are taking, and those some are, you can say 1 to 2 only, not more than that. So you can say it is near to 0 only. So I will say PSU you cannot get from paper 2. You may be thinking, sir, then why we shall go for it? Because my dear, other things which paper 2 is giving, that may be very difficult for paper 1, because in paper 1 number of candidates are more, so because of that competitions are more. So if you are going for paper 2, you may get IITs or NIT very easily, because in XC paper you have very less syllabus, in PI paper also you have limited syllabus, so that will give you an advantage in the M.Tech admissions definitely. So when I am talking about IIT and NIT, yes, from XC they are taking, from P&I they are taking, but my dear, when I am talking about XC, the options are little bit less. Okay, options are less. When I am saying options are less, because only some branches in IITs are taking admissions from XC paper code. But when I am talking about P&I, in all the IITs, production course is there, production and industrial course is there, and they are taking for that course from PI paper also. Like last year, one of our students, Sagnik, he got 25 or 26 rank in P&I. He is now at IIT Bombay. So guys, that is how you can get, if you are looking for, yes, I need to go to M.Tech only, and if you are ready to go for production only, then my dear, P&I paper may be a good choice for you. But if you are thinking that production industrial is not good branch for you are looking for other branches, then XC would be the good option for you. So guys, last year, up to last year, NITs, most of the NITs were not taking from the XC scorecard. But this year, in 2022, many NITs have also taken the admissions for the student by XC also. One of the student who didn't qualify GATE in mechanical, he qualified in XC, and he just qualified, means his marks was around 30 only, and he got admission into NIT Jaipur Thermal Engineering. So which may be very difficult when you are going from mechanical paper, you need to score more than 40 marks for that. So in that way, XC may become very handful for you. Like in XC, you need to study only 2 to 3 subjects. The best thing about that. So I am telling you all about that. So guys, the point is, if you are looking for M.Tech admissions, then this may be a very good option, XC and P&I. P&I would help you if you are already pre-decided that you are going to go for M.Tech related to the production branch, material science, production, industrial. These branches would be considering PI score much. For others like thermal sciences, solid mechanics, like other branches like design, they would be taking from XC obviously, but not all, some of them are taking. Okay, so my dear, some questions are there. Sachin, I am coming on to the syllabus. Bhanu, good evening, bhai. Sorry, actually I don't have my spectacles, so I am unable to see the proper message. Yes, Ajay, hi dear. Sachin is saying, sir, what is the level of question? I am telling you that also. Dear, first of all, we have discussed about the opportunities. Now we will talk about syllabus and as well as what should be the technique to go for them. Okay, so one by one we will see, don't worry about that. Okay, so guys, just like and share the session so that other students can also join it. So guys, when I'm talking about NITI Mumbai is taking from P&I also, taking for XE also, but they are taking in the course of postgraduate diploma in industrial engineering from XE, and from P&I the options are relatively more. So as I said, the options of M.Tech, MBA related to production branches would be giving more preference to P&I, and other branches would be giving preference to XE. Paper 1 can give you everything, so these paper 2's outputs are just the subsets of what you are getting from paper 1. Kenil sir, XE math is difficult. Dear, maths, engineering maths would be there a part of the paper that is slightly difficult than the mechanical and other paper. Both in XE, when you are talking about any technical paper, the level is slightly above than your mechanical paper. Hello Teju. Shubham, XE is pretty good if we compare. Yes, compared to ME, nahi, compared to P&I. Mind it, Shubham, I am not comparing mechanical and XE. I am comparing XE and P&I, because mechanical is your main target if you are looking for PSUs, because these two papers cannot give you PSUs, mind it. So chances with P&I in PSUs are very, very, very less. It is hardly 1%. So if you are looking for PSU, mechanical is not replaceable. Mechanical will be the first paper. We are talking about the second paper. Yes, in second paper, we will conclude at the end of the session, okay, because you have not seen the other factors right now. Yes, level, if you're talking about XE level, is slightly better. Money, if we went to go to PSU, which two will be selected? Dear, for PSU only mechanical paper is going to help you. These papers are not going to help you in PSUs. Only 1 to 2 PSUs who are taking from P&I, and no PSU is taking from XE. So in PSU you will not get any benefit of paper 2. Now my dear, we are going to see the syllabus for paper 2. What you need to study for paper 2. So my dear, when we are talking about paper 2, first of all, GATE production and industrial syllabus. So my dear, when we are talking about GATE production and industrial syllabus, obviously as usual mathematics would be there. So mathematics, this is about the technical part of 70 marks. Sorry, this is about the technical part plus mathematics of 85 marks. Rest 15 marks will be, obviously, you know that aptitude and English are there. They are fixed. Sachin, if we are going to IIT for M.Tech, which is better? Dear, if you are looking for more options but related to production only, then P&I are better. But for XE, the options are less, but they are in branches like thermal sciences, material science, all. So if you are going for P&I, more chances that you will be going to production and industrial branches only. So if you are ready for that branch, P&I would be better. If you want other branches, yes, options would be less by XE, but you can get thermal also from XE paper. So guys, this would be there. In general engineering, all the subjects except industrial and production are coming. So here also the major weightage is for industrial and production. For all other subjects like TOM, like SOM, like MD, like thermal, it is going to be very, very less weightage. They are just having one section, that is general engineering, except production and industrial. All other things comes under that. So weightage of all other subjects is very, very less as compared to production and industrial. So in this paper, majorly you need to prepare about the manufacturing and industrial engineering. So in manufacturing processes 1 and 2, you will be getting the common syllabus of mechanical related to the production branch. Production, you can say casting, welding, metal forming, metal cutting, metrology inspection, and sim. But here syllabus for all of them is slightly more than mechanical, and my dear, that slightly more will definitely be going up to 10 to 15% of the net syllabus. So 10 to 15% you need to study extra in production, first thing, and second thing, they are coming more theoretical. And here numericals are also having a level better than the mechanical paper for production. Like if you say casting question, welding question, metal cutting question, P&I questions have more level than the mechanical paper. But my dear, yes, you need to study the limited, because all other subjects have very limited syllabus. So here majorly you need to study math, Okay, apti. So I will not be talking about these two because they are common. Other than that, majorly you need to study manufacturing plus industrial. And my dear, all these subjects have very less syllabus. You can say that if I compare the syllabus of P&I with the mechanical, my dear, P&I syllabus will be, as a total I am talking about, 60 to 70% of that. So definitely you need to study 20-30% less. But production industrial is of very bad level, very high level. So 10-15% extra hard work you need to go for the theory part of this P&I. That is what you need to think of. Sir, production is very weak. In that case, you shall go for XC, guys. And if you are a third year student, then you need to go only with XC. Because here anyway, maybe the weightage of other subjects are less. You need to cover the complete mechanical engineering. That is the wrong thing about this paper, that maybe the weightage of this is less, maybe the syllabus is less, but you need to cover the complete syllabus as you are preparing for mechanical engineering, plus some extra thing in production and industrial. So that is why if you are a third year student, then XC would be better than P&I for you, because you have less exposure to production and you have studied not all the subject in the third year or second year. So that is why it would be better than you choose XC only. Okay, for final year student also we will conclude at the end. Okay, now my dear, I am telling you about the XC paper. So in XC paper, once again engineering mathematics would be there. This is compulsory. Other papers you can see, they are fluid mechanics, material science, solid mechanics, thermodynamics, polymer science and engineering, food technology. By looking at these heavy names, you might be facing difficulty by just looking at it. Sir, who will be going for polymer science and food? So dear, just relax. You need to do any two of them. Any two of them. Any two of them. You can select any two of them, and that also the selection would be done at the time of examination. You need not to select even right now. So you can select any two among them. And guys, if you see about these, what I feel is the best option could be, out of these all, you can choose, my dear, you can choose one, fluid mechanics or solid mechanics or thermodynamics. These three are the best option. So try to make your selection from these three only. And fourth one which you can select, which is from your branch, maybe material science, but that syllabus is very big. Syllabus is very big. It is almost 4 to 5 times than the syllabus you have in mechanical paper. So that much syllabus is very difficult to study, and that is better you will go for any two of these three. XC, B, D or E, you need to choose any two from them. So guys, now comes the best point. Here, if you are in third year, or if you are just starting your preparation, but if you are just starting your preparation, you have very less time. In that less time, you cannot go for the complete syllabus of paper 1, mechanical engineering. Then my dear, if you cannot go for that, you definitely cannot go for production and industrial as well. For that, the best option is the XC paper, because in XC paper you need to prepare only 2 subjects. You can choose fluid mechanics, solid mechanics. In solid mechanics, engineering mechanics, SOM and vibration comes. But engineering mechanics and vibrations are having very less syllabus. So guys, either you can go for fluid mechanics plus solid mechanics, you can go for solid mechanics plus thermodynamics, you can go for fluid mechanics and thermodynamics. So you need to choose any two of these three. They are going to be the best options. And my dear, I would like to tell you one more thing, that if you are in third year student, you have studied these 3 subjects. So then you need to go for XC only. Don't think about P&I. Then go for ME plus XC. Third year student may be thinking, sir, why we shall go for ME then? My dear, you will get an idea how to attempt the paper. You will see the level of paper. You will get an idea. And the best thing, your attempts are not going to reduce, because in GATE, there is no bar on the number of attempts. Okay. So you must attempt the mechanical paper, because for the final year you will get an idea at least. So I will suggest you mechanical plus XC for third year is the ideal one. You need not to think even about P&I until you are a P&I graduate. Okay, so guys, let us see about the syllabus in much detail. If you see the fluid mechanics, you are going to study fluid properties, kinematics, and then you are going to have the integral analysis, differential analysis, then dimensional analysis, internal. Then after that you are having Bernoulli and external flows. Here I will say for fluid mechanics, hardly 10% syllabus is extra. 10% syllabus is extra if you are talking about from the syllabus of fluid mechanics of mechanical engineering paper. And when we are talking about the material science, my dear, in material science you study in mechanical engineering, one thing is this classification and structure of material. Second, you study properties and application of material. Rest, processing, degradation, characterization, measurement, and thermodynamic kinematics and phase transformation. Only few students may be studying the phase transformation. Rest all the things are untouched by you in your mechanical engineering preparation. So that is why this is not going to be a good option. So don't choose this. This is my suggestion. Don't choose this. Vineet sir, can I choose SOM plus TD? Dear, I will say SOM plus TD is going to be the best option. I will be telling you why. The reason is here. Because in solid mechanics, you need to study about the engineering mechanics. Because rigid body studies nothing but the engineering mechanics. Deformable body studies nothing but the strength of material. And then vibration, only natural vibration is there in the syllabus. So the best thing about solid mechanics syllabus is whatever you study in the mechanical engineering syllabus, you need to study the same for XC syllabus. So for solid mechanics syllabus is the same. And for the thermodynamics basic concept, first law, second law, properties, thermodynamic relation, thermodynamic cycle, ideal gas mixtures. So guys, this syllabus is also the same as that of GATE mechanical syllabus. So that is why this combination is going to be the best. If you are choosing fluid mechanics, that is also good. But for fluid mechanics, 10% syllabus is extra, which you need to study by yourself. So guys, the best combination is SOM or solid mechanics plus thermodynamics. But you can go for fluid mechanics plus thermodynamics as well, and fluid mechanics plus solid mechanics as well. So both are good, but better you will go for solid mechanics plus thermodynamics. So that is going to be the best option, my dear friends, for you. So guys, do like and share the session. I am telling you each and everything related to the second paper here, and let us continue our discussion. This was the syllabus of all the 4 subjects you have seen. Now I am showing you the things with proof. First of all, I am showing you the things with proof. I have taken them from the official website. Like if you see the ISE Bangalore, in ISE Bangalore material engineering, they are taking the candidates from XC. You can see. Obviously, ME will be present everywhere. But I am going to show you about paper 2. So guys, definitely XC, if you are appearing for XC paper, you are eligible for material engineering in ISC Bangalore, one of the dream college. Then my dear, you can see about the climate science. Here also you can find XC. So my dear, here also you can find XC. So my dear, in the other slide, I can show you about IIT Chennai, IIT Madras. When we are talking about IIT Madras, here also for aerospace engineering, XC, mechanical and aerospace are eligible. So guys, when we are going for ME1, ME2 and ME3, you can say any GATE paper is okay. Any GATE paper means XC also, P&I also. Okay, mechanical is already there. Then my dear, if you see, that is the minimum qualification showing for IIT Patna. So in IIT Patna, if you see, my dear, for M.Tech in mechatronics, XC is there, PI is there, ME is there. Then if you see the mathematics and computing, here mechanical is only there, instrumentation is there. So guys, we are not going for instrumentation, entire syllabus is different, so leave that. Then my dear, nanoscience and technology, when we are talking about, here also you can see X is there. So in many new IITs, they are accepting the EXE scorecard. So that's why I am showing you these IIT slides so that you can have faith. Otherwise, many students are saying, sir, you are saying here, but IITs are not taking. So I have taken from official website. That's why I am showing. So guys, NITI Mumbai, you can go for postgraduate diploma in industrial engineering from EXE as well. Okay. Then my dear, at the end, I am showing you IIT Bhilai. So for IIT Bhilai, my dear, when we are talking about mechanical engineering, you can see EXE is there. So EXE is having many benefits. PI will be also having the benefits, but for PI you need to study more. That is the point. Sir, some type of EXE paper can you solve for upcoming? Definitely, dear. Even I will be sharing you the PYQs of EXE paper and PI paper in my Telegram channel. So you be ready for that. I am going to provide you PYQs of EXE and PI paper both. But for that you need to join my channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana or Mechanical Engineering by Dheeraj Sir. Both channels you will get the same content. Sir, EWS के सर्टिफिकेट एप्लीकेशन के साथ लगाना है या बाद में? Dear, for that I have taken a session there. I have told you. Actually, they have, when you will be filling the form, they will be asking you for the same. So when they will be asking you, you can apply for that. Even always remember one thing, that your name shall match with the 10th class mark sheet, because in Aadhaar card updation can be done at any time. Yes, Vineet sir, which is good. Yes, I am coming on to that only, Vineet. Now let us conclude these things. Now here I am concluding what are the options you have. For material science in ISC Bangalore, EXE and ME are there. For IIT Bhilai, PI, EXE are there. For IIT Madras, material science, EXE is there. Mechanical is always there. Similarly, mechatronics at IIT Patna, EXE and PI are there. IIT Bombay, thermal and design. You just need valid gate score from any branch. So guys, now I am telling you about the conclusive part. Now we are coming to, yes. Sir, but how many seats for EXE? Dear, whenever we are talking about the number of seats, actually number of candidates for EXE are also less. Actually, whenever you are going to apply for that, there are some formulas for the gate score. Okay, they are not particularly fixing that seat for this branch and that branch. They are having some gate score formula. They are using that. Okay, so gate scores are coming on your gate admit card, and they will become important for your admission. Okay. So guys, I would like to say, when we are going to compare with mechanical, you are anyway going to give mechanical. Other paper is just a supportive one. Now the point is whether you shall go for EXE or P&I. So I am going to tell you very clearly, if you want to study less, if you are not comfortable with the complete mechanical engineering and you don't have any love towards production and industrial, then my dear, EXE is going to be the best option. Okay, because less syllabus. Okay, and when the syllabus is less for that, you need to study only 2 subjects. So for third year students, it is going to be ideal. But my dear, if you have already made your mind that you are going for M.Tech in P&I branch from IIT, then this is going to be the good option, because even if you qualify the exam, you will be under 500-700 students. So that is why it would become easier for you to get selected. Actually, whenever they are talking about IITs, they are having around 70% weightage for the gate score, 30% for the written and interview part. So whatever your gate score is, that will be multiplied by 0.7 and would be considered as the input, and rest 30 would be depending on interview, and based on that you will be getting the selection. Okay, so guys, that is why I wanted to say you, if you have not applied for paper 2, just go for this. So if we conclude here, EXE is going to be easier option. P&I would be good if you are looking for production industrial M.Tech, then it would be definitely a good option. So in EXE, the benefit is that you need to study less. You can choose the subject of your choice. In P&I, you need to study all the subjects. You know that for other subjects, other topics, the things would be lesser in number, but they would be there. But in XC paper, the subjects are fixed. You are going for 2 papers, means you will be getting question from those 2. So it is easier to get a good rank in XC paper rather than other papers. But guys, your first choice should be mechanical, and always get that in mind that you will not be getting PSUs from the second paper. Only few PSUs are taking from P&I, very few they are, 1 to 2. If you see the notification, only 1 to 2 are there. Thanks Teju for that. Definitely it would be easier. I am not saying that it is going to be tough, but for that you need to study a very big subject, that is production, and also 10 to 15% parts are the extra syllabus in P&I. Okay, so for that you need to study that as well. And every student do not like or love the production subject. Generally students are having fear from production that it is very boring, so they are not going to study that. That's why I am saying, so this is for with respect to all the student I am saying. Okay, you may be having now different feelings because you have studied the production now, but for other students, those who are just starting, for them thinking of production itself is a very big thing. Okay. Yes, sir, what about foreign university by second paper? Dear, all they are taking, they are having only one thing, they need your GATE score, which should be having more than 91 percentile. If you are having more than 91 percentile, you will be eligible for them. So going to foreign university is not going to be a difficult job from GATE. Okay, if you are having 95 percentile, which is very easy to get, once you get 50 marks, you will be around 97 percentile. So if you are even scoring 50 marks, you can easily go there. But yes, there are some other conditions you need to fulfill, like IELTS and all. So that they are demanding and that you need to go for. But yes, for GATE score, they are not asking for 90 marks. From any paper you will be eligible. But your score, when I am saying 91 percentile or above, you will be eligible for the same. Okay, is it clear? Great. So guys, no doubt P&I is not a bad choice. But for those who want to study less, for them XC is good. They say that, sir, in 4 months we can go for 2 subjects. In that way that we will not be even leaving a 1 question. For those students, I am saying XC is going to be the best one, because 2 subjects you need to study plus maths plus FT. So only 2 subjects you can prepare at any level. Still 4 months are there. Okay. Yes. Dear Kenil, for that actually different sessions are being taken. I feel yesterday only 1 session was there by Rakesh sir. So you can see Singapore University is taking. Okay, Germany also 2 universities are taking. So majorly these are 3 to 4 universities in Singapore and Germany they are taking. Okay, so they are majorly considering the GATE scores for Indian candidates. So you can apply for that. For that also we will be having different sessions once you clear your GATE exam. So we will be telling you how to apply, what are the things to be done. So all those things would be there in the sessions. Okay. So guys, just like and share the session. So as you were requesting for this session, so I came here to take this. Okay, I know actually I have done a lot of delay in this because already GATE paper, you can say date have been come already, the notification have come, so I must come with this session in the last week only. Sorry for the delay. Okay, but still guys, if you have any queries you can ask now. They will be asking, they will be saying you about those certificates you need to upload. Okay, so then you will be getting benefit of the reservation under that categories. Okay guys, so if any queries you have, please ask. Yes, Sai Bok is saying, sir, if I choose engineering sciences, sir, in ESE paid course, same syllabus, sir, for engineering sciences. Dear, I would like to say that whatever you are studying from for strength of material, thermodynamics, all these are the same syllabus only. Only for fluid mechanics, some parts are extra. Okay. For that also, we will try that some classes are arranged for those 2-3 topics also. Otherwise, for all other like mechanical may in strength of material, solid mechanics and thermodynamics, there whatever be the syllabus of XC is already taught to you. So there is nothing left in that. Okay. Great. Great, Nagaraju. Thanks, dear. Thanks, Vineet, for your wonderful words. So spread this in all the students you know, so that they also get the benefit of that. Okay. Teju, actually I have done one mistake in your schedule. Saturday, Sunday would not be technical. So tomorrow you will be getting DPP 2 as well as solution of DPP 1. Okay. And this is my sincere request. Share it with your friends so that they can also get the benefit of that. Priyanka, yes, you can go for it. So those students who have studied production, they have different feel that yes, we will crack that also. Okay, so that's great for you. But guys, I will say both are good. But yes, if you want to study less subject, then definitely XC is better. But more options in M.Tech are there from P&I. Less options in M.Tech are there with XC. That is no doubt about that. So more options with P&I, less options with XC. But in XC you need to study also very less. So both the things are in front of you now. Sir, while registering for GATE, it said that the year of pass out as incorrect. Arvind, if it would be having any problem, if you have already filled the form, if it would be having any problem, you just continue to check the website. You will be getting the information that the information provided is not correct. So you will be getting a chance to improve that. Okay. But if you have not filled that, then definitely you connect to me separately. I will try to help you in that. If you have already filled and it have been selected, then my dear, you need to wait till they are going for scrutiny. They will be telling you that form is accepted or not. So just be in contact with the website, and if you still face an issue, you can call their customer care number also. Okay. Sir, please share XC paper on Telegram. Sure, dear. As I said, I will be sharing the PYQs of XC paper. Subject-wise division I am doing actually. I already have typed them. Sorry, I have already got typed them, and now I am just dividing them subject-wise so that I can share with you. But I will be sharing only fluid mechanics, thermal and solid mechanics. Only for these three I will be